Check this out. Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. Today I'll be taking you on a journey on how to prepare your meat like a pro. I'll be showing you how to boil your meat, any kind of meat, assorted meat, turkey that you can use for cooking any kind of soup or any kind of stew. You can see all what we have here. Those are the soup and stew we're going to cook with the meat I'm about to show you the best way to boil. Those are the meats we'll be using. In that pot, we have different kind of meat there. In that pot, we have beef, tripe, we have cow legs, we have cow skin and turkey. Into it, I'm going to add salt. If today is the first time on this channel, kindly remember to subscribe, remember to follow us. Welcome. Greetings to all my returning subscribers. I love you all mega. Those are the next ingredients I'll be adding into it. I have thyme, I have seasoning mixture, I have normal seasoning, I have ginger, I have garlic, and I also have curry. Those are the ingredients I'm pouring now into the pot. All those ingredients are going to give you tender and delicious meat and super meat stock. Into it, I'm going to add diced onions and diced garlic. Be generous with your onions. You will love the result. I'm now going to give it a gentle mix together. You know, we have loads of meat here, so to mix it up to the down of the pot is not going to be possible, but try as much as possible to just mix everything. Allow those ingredients to shift. Okay, now I added oregano and bay leaves into it. Now I'm going to cover without adding water into it. Allow it to cook for about 20 good minutes because we have loads of meat there. All right, it's good to open it after 10 minutes, mix it a bit together, and then cover it and allow it to cook for the next 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, that is when it's now time to add water. Okay, you don't need much water if you need a very good meat stock. Okay, so now I covered it and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. At this stage, the turkey is done. Turkey doesn't take time at all, and when it gets too cooked, you will not like what you have because it's going to start to break. So at this stage, I'm going to remove all the turkey out of this other meat. So I'm going to allow other meats to continue cooking. If your own meat stock is too little and you need more, you can add a bit of water into it. Like I said, not too much water. That is the turkey. You can see turkey is ready. Look at what I said. This is how it should be, but when you cook it too long, this is how it will be. This one was at the bottom of the pot, that's why it got overcooked. Now I'm going to air fry my turkey. Okay, I will air fry this under 200 centigrade for 8 minutes. Feel free to use your meat boiled if you don't want to air fry it. All right, so I allow it to air fry. This is what I have. It is super okay like this. I love it. So I'm just going to keep this aside. This is perfect for anything. You can use it for pepper turkey, you can use it for stew, for soup. So let's go back to the meat. Now the meat is tender at this stage, so I'm just going to take them out of the meat stock. Lovelies, you need to taste this meat stock. It is very good for cooking any kind of meal, jollof rice, fried rice, local jollof fries, even pottage. Yes, try it, you will love it. Look at what we have here. I reserved some for boiled like that, super for egusi, and this other meat too, I air fried it, super for stew. If you want to see how I continue with this cooking, look out for the next videos I'll be uploading. You are going to see everything I cooked with this meat. Thank you.